Okay, let's dive into this really unique invitation for the community of San Pedro. Right off the bat, you can see this isn't just another business. It's way more personal.
Think of it this way, the project's history is the tune, but it's waiting for your voice.
And that tune? It all starts with the founders' parents, Donna and Allan. They laid the groundwork.
Allan's whole philosophy was that failure is just a rough draft. That's absolutely key here.
And that idea directly inspired the name for the video labs, Voxel. It really honors his spirit.
So how do you make a space feel like a real home? It's all about that personal philosophy.
You won't find a sterile Studio A here. Nope. Each lab is named for a beloved niece or nephew.
And it doesn't stop there. Even the creative suites are named after cherished family cats. The message is crystal clear. Come as you are. Bring your whole self to the work.
Okay, so what's the main way to get involved? Simple. Tell your story.
This place was built for local dreamers, for anyone who's ever felt like they should be quiet.
The idea is to take your local story and let it find a home in a stranger's heart.
It's all about creating that feeling of, hey, this beautiful thing, it's ours. It's for us.
You're literally adding your voice to a building with over a century of local history.
So, when is all this happening? Get ready for summer 2026. That's when it all kicks off.
The grand opening is going to be huge. It's also when the founders, Jennifer and Edwin, get married there. So the invitation is pretty straightforward. Come visit, come build, and come celebrate with them.
See, the song is almost finished. The melody and harmony, they're all set, built on history and love.
The only thing that's missing is your verse. So what part will you add to the song?